Now we're going to go through how to fit a grommet over a 100mm pipe, 50mm pipe, it doesn't really matter, the system will still be the same. What these are non-adhesive, which are very easy to work to because you can put them into place, you could leave them, come back later on and tape them. So basically this is a simple procedure, literally it just goes over the pipe, you push it into play, then you're going to use your PHS Argo tape. And you'll virtually just tape the tape to the membrane. You cover all four sides. Okay, and then you'll get your pressing roller, press down onto the tape, sealing it, and then the remainder then we'll just use the tape. Apply your tape around the seal of the pipe. And that gives you your seal around a 4-inch pipe, 50mm pipe, doesn't matter, the application is still the same. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to seal around a pipe again using just the tape. So this won't be for the grommets, this will be just using the tape. Now what I'm going to use is the 100mm PHS Argo tape. Now what we'll find though with the difference between the tapes is the time. To seal a tape, a pipe, a 100mm pipe, with tape takes up to probably 7 to 8 minutes. Whereas in the previous showing there, we showed you how quick and simple it was using a grommet. But depending on the situation you're in yourself, the tape could be your quickest option or cheapest option. So what we do is we take a 100mm tape, we'll cut it to segments. So we can cut that to pieces, cut that maybe 100, 150mm. Then we fold a section in half, peel off your backing layer, and then you'll apply that then onto the pipe and then onto your membrane. Nip in the corner just to shape it around the pipe itself. So once you've sealed the pipe, around it. Same again, you'll just offer up a piece around, cut that in. And just apply that on to give you a full and complete seal around your pipe. That's a dry seal.